How to send messages on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how we can send messages to someone on the Happn app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your account, in order to send messages, go to chat from the bottom right hand side. Then after, it will show you profiles of all the crosses that you have had on the app. Now in order to send messages to a particular person, choose that specific profile and then open the chat box. Since I don't have any matches, I can show you the chat box. However, when you tap on the profile, you will open the chat box, so it's a simple process. After you open the chat box, you can type in the message that you want to send and then send it. Now if you are having any kind of issues while sending messages, then there could be a couple of issues. The first issue might be with the Happn network as a whole, as the app might be facing some technical issues. The other issue could be that the other person has unmatched you or blocked you on the app. In these cases, you won't be able to send messages to that particular person. Well, that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.